Hello IG Garage family, is your car throwing the P0333 error code? Are you hearing engine knocking or noticing a loss of power? If your scanner pulled up P0333, knock sensor 2 circuit high input, bank 2, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover what the P0333 code means, where the knock sensor is located, which is very important, how to diagnose and fix it, and at the end, I'll suggest 2 must-watch videos, P0320, ignition distributor engine speed input circuit malfunction, and P0012, camshaft timing over retarded, to help you understand related engine issues. Let's get started. What does P0333 mean? The P0333 trouble code means that the knock sensor on bank 2 is detecting higher than normal voltage signals. The knock sensor is designed to monitor engine vibrations and adjust ignition timing to prevent knocking. If the sensor sends incorrect readings, the engine control module or ECM may misadjust timing, leading to poor performance and potential engine damage. Symptoms of P0333. Check engine light is on, engine knocking or pinging sounds, poor acceleration or hesitation, reduced fuel efficiency, and possibly limp mode with limited power. Common causes of P0333, a faulty knock sensor. The sensor itself may be damaged or worn out, and wiring issues, loose, corroded, or damaged wires can send incorrect signals. Excessive carbon buildup. Carbon deposits inside the engine can cause knocking. Incorrect fuel octane. Using lower octane fuel than recommended can trigger the knock sensor. ECM malfunction. A rare but possible cause if the ECM misreads signals. Where is the knock sensor for P0333 located? Knock sensor 2, bank 2, is typically located on the engine block cylinder head or intake manifold of bank 2, which is the side opposite cylinder 1. It's often near the middle of the engine, under the intake manifold. Some engines have 2 knock sensors, one per bank, so ensure you're checking the correct one. Look for the wiring that runs to the knock sensor and check for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. The knock sensor sends data to the ECM, which adjusts ignition timing. If there's an issue here, it can cause a false P0333 code. Check the wiring and connectors. Inspect for loose, frayed, or corroded wires connected to the knock sensor. If needed, clean or replace damaged wiring. Test the knock sensor. Use a multimeter to check for proper resistance, usually between 500 kilo ohms and 620 kilo ohms, but check your car's manual. If readings are out of range, replace the sensor. Look for engine knocking or fuel issues. Switch to higher octane fuel if you've been using a lower grade fuel than recommended. Clean out carbon buildup with a fuel system cleaner or professional service. Replace the knock sensor if needed. If the knock sensor is faulty, replace it and reset the error code using an obd2 scanner. So, that's everything you need to know about P0333, knock sensor 2 circuit high input, bank 2. If your car is knocking, sluggish, or running inefficiently, start by checking the knock sensor, wiring, and fuel quality. Before you go, don't forget to check out these related videos. P0320 ignition distributor engine speed input circuit malfunction, and P0012 camshaft timing over retarded. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss a fix from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.